Good morning. Yeah, good morning. So today is July 19th. I'm not doing any makeup. I just put some mascara on. George has a doctor's appointment today, a checkup. But I'm going to unbox another influencer box. I've already opened it up and stuff. I kind of know like what's already in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I got like a few things. Yeah. I'm not really going to talk very loud. George is taking a nap before we go to his doctor's appointment. So first things first, Influencer sent me some vitamin C things here. That's actually quite helpful just because lately, like I have been having like I wouldn't say like a cold, but this will help. It was like a sore throat and a cough. But yeah. Alright, my next thing is the OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover, safe on colors. So that's good because I honestly don't have a lot of white on here in my clothes. So that's nice that they sent me a small packet of laundry detergents. Or I wouldn't say it's laundry detergent, but this is what it is. They also sent me Twinings Cold Infused Flavored Cold Water Enhancer, Watermelon and Mint. That's interesting. Ooh. It's like tea bags. I don't know about that, y'all. There's 12 infusers. I'm not sure on if I'm going to exactly try this out, but it just kind of reminds me of tea, and I don't really drink tea. Alright, the last thing, and one thing I'm actually really excited about, is these magnetic lashes. Influencer sent me, this box is like all over its place, all over the place. This is the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner, easy liquid application. So yeah, there's 5 magnets on here. That's cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna try these out very soon. I have not done like any makeup at all this weekend, so I'm hoping maybe if I can, I will. It just all depends on like how everyone is feeling. George has had a cold and we're treating that. Tyler was had what is it called? A strep again. So they've been giving him antibiotics, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That is it for the box. I'm gonna be getting like 2 more boxes soon. I don't know when. I don't have my tracking number. I have an Ulta haul and a Morphe haul coming in this week, and like a few other things. I'm trying to like get back into the groove of things, trying to get things together and all that stuff. So it's just been really hard. Yeah. I'm trying. I'm trying really hard right now. But yeah, I will let you all go. Please, if you guys do not mind, like, subscribe, comment on my video. It'd mean so much to me on here, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye, guys.